Would you like to know about common hawthorn? We tell you everything you need to know in this video by the thedailyECO. So, let's get started. Properties of hawthorn. Hawthorn possesses several beneficial properties due to its composition, which includes flavonoids, sugars, terpenes, and essential oils, among others. These components contribute to its cardioprotective, antioxidant, gastroprotective, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial effects. Now that you know about the properties of hawthorn, let's explore its uses and benefits. Hawthorn possesses several beneficial properties due to its composition. Helps against heart failure. Hawthorn is utilized to aid in cases of suboptimal heart function, assisting the heart in returning to its optimal state by regulating its rhythm and enhancing the strength of the heart muscle. Moreover, it has been beneficial for patients recovering from heart attacks. Regulates blood pressure. In addition to its cardioprotective abilities, hawthorn also aids in lowering blood pressure, which is highly beneficial for individuals with hypertension and circulatory issues. Conversely, if blood pressure is too low, it can be raised through vasodilation. Has a sedative effect. Furthermore, hawthorn's sedative properties make it effective in treating nervous arrhythmias. This calming effect is achieved by reducing the heart's excitability. It is not only useful for nervous arrhythmias but also for conditions of insomnia caused by stress or anxiety. Improves the quality of life. Taking hawthorn regularly can benefit anyone, not just those with specific health conditions. This plant is known to reduce apathy, fatigue, and rapid exhaustion while enhancing physical condition during exercise. But before we continue, let us put you to the test. Does hawthorn bear fruit? Yes. No. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. How to take hawthorn. You can consume various parts of hawthorn plant, including its flowers, fruits, and leaves. The most commonly consumed part is its flowers, which should be collected just before they open and dried in a dry, shaded area. These dried flowers can be used to make herbal tea with 1 teaspoon per cup. To benefit from its properties, it's recommended to have 1 cup during lunch and another during dinner for several months. The fruits can also be consumed either fresh for a complete intake, dried for herbal teas like flowers, or even in jams. Additionally, infusions can be made using the leaves of the hawthorn plant. All these parts, flowers, leaves, and fruits, are quite similar in composition, with the main difference being that the fruits have a higher content of vitamin C. For those interested, hawthorn tinctures can be acquired from specialized pharmacists or naturalists, and the recommended dosage is 10 drops taken 4 times a day. Side effects and contraindications. Hawthorn has very few contraindications or side effects. In its use, no significant side effects have ever been reported. However, overconsumption may lead to a drop in blood pressure, causing dizziness and nausea. Pregnant and lactating women should avoid consuming hawthorn as its components can be transmitted to the baby and may be toxic. If you are taking any heart or anxiety medication, it is advisable to consult your doctor before using it to ensure a proper and safe use. And as for the previous question we asked you before, the correct answer is A. This plant does bear fruit. In fact, from the flowers of the hawthorn, a round fruit with a slightly sweet and mild flavor is generated, as seen in the section on how to take hawthorn. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments if you have ever taken this plant or if you plan to do so in the near future. As always, we appreciate your comments or suggestions in the comment section below. See you next time.